Good morning. I am Mohan Parthasarathi, your happiness coach. Today I thought of sharing you some actionable tips towards happiness. According to me, I have some 5 points to share with you for being happy always. First point, write down why you want to be happier. Grab a piece of paper, put a date on it, and start writing down whatever is on your mind. This especially helps if you are currently feeling stressed or anxious. Writing down your thoughts forces you to actually confront them. It allows you to better deconstruct what you're missing without getting your thoughts distracted. Writing something down can prevent it from causing chaos in your mind. Second, create small goals that you can actually reach. Change happens one step at a time. You cannot change your life overnight, which is something that might be difficult to accept. For example, if you determine some 6 issues that you want to change in your life, then you would be smart to only focus on one at a time. Hence, create such small goals which is actually attainable for you. Third, keep spreading joy and happiness all around. Your happiness can actually radiate to other people. Your smile has the power to bring a smile to someone else's face. It is easy. Spreading happiness will make you happy as well. Teach by doing, and you will learn something for yourself as well. Fourth, get off social media. If your Facebook and Instagram's feeds are anything to go by, your friends are constantly on vacation, eating healthy, getting married, getting promotions, and generally living a better life than you are. Deep down, you know that you're not getting the full picture, but it's still difficult to feel good about yourself when you compare your own life to the highlight reels of others. While a little bit of upward comparison can be motivating, research has shown that in most cases it just lowers your self-esteem. So if you're prone to such comparisons, the best gift you can give to yourself is to log off for a while. The fifth and the foremost important point which I thought of sharing with you is to be grateful for the things you already have. Practicing gratitude can have a great effect on your mental health, as shown by numerous research. There are a lot of things to be grateful for. For instance, firstly, we can thank our family for everything they have done for us. Every morning, we can thank God for giving such a wonderful day yesterday and making us live for today as well. So with these things, I thought of sharing you these 5 tips which may definitely lead towards happiness. Just practice it and be happy always. Thank you.